Bears. We got a huge butter castle. Well, it's not actually that huge. Little hockey rink. Not the best, but you know, it's something. Okay, if we go up here, there's like little note blocks, fire charges. Look at that guy. He's kind of weird. Now let's look at this guy. He's awesome. As you can see. Here. My name is Finley Bear, by the way. Oh, pig, I'm getting hungry. I wish there's bacon in this, because I would eat it all. Of course, there's bacon mods, but yeah. Okay. Let's get my friend to join this world. Hold on. Second. Sorry, it was on mute. Okay, let's. So hold on a second. Okay, so my friend is gonna join, and he died already. Okay, well let's. Hey. Let's go over here. Where are you? I'll protect you if there's any enemies.
Right close to
Let's
the
go
bed.
in here.
Okay.
Okay? Well, there's lots of enemies, but I can defeat them all.
Thanks,
Oh,
buddy.
there's a creeper too.
Ooh.
There's a creeper too. Watch out, buddy. Run. Oh, there's lava there. Well, why? Okay, it's all safe now.
Okay.
You go on in. I think my thing got destroyed, but
Here we go.
you can
Here I'm
go in.
going.
Oh, and if you want, you can just watch out for that lava. Here, look. Let's go in here. I think I made the secret passage around here. It's like a glitch in there. Okay. Okay, walk on in. I'll be right
Okay,
behind
buddy.
you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? No.
Oh well, I guess your stuffer is gone and I'll be mad. Oh, that's my house. Okay, and I am gonna die of hunger. And hey friend, Dylan,
Yep.
where are you? Get over here.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
going.
Okay, fight to the death.
Oh. Ah.
Yeah. Ooh, don't re.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let's go over here. I want to show you guys something. Where are you?